Climate Action Project Group 5. I'm very, very happy that all of you have joined. And, the purpose of the meeting is, and it's so nice to see our lovely faces. And most of us are known to each other. So that's so good. So I'm so happy, Anubha, you are there.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening. So happy that all of us are there. And the purpose is, it's climate action. It is SDG 13. So we all need to join and let our children realize the importance of climate action. Wow. Okay. I have Ranjana also here. Thank you so much, team, for joining. It's nice together. It's so good. So I thought I'll run you through the website and what we're going to do, and maybe one of us who has already participated earlier can share what has to be done. We have participated since the inception of this project. Since for the past 5 years we have been there. And Charu, if you could share some pictures after some time about what we did, a climate action wall, maybe it'll cheer up everybody. Maybe that, that 100 feet long banner of climate action which we had prepared. If you could have that, and some activities of the sports function and annual function when we took it as a whole school project. If you can pick and choose some of those pictures, I'm sure it'll be really, really motivating. So today we begin, and do I see Charu here? Charu, are you there? Okay, then please start sharing the screen and we go to that document which I shared with everybody and we walk through. Let me see who else is there. Nisha, you're there, I believe, right?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. I'll be expecting you to share your experience when you had participated earlier also, maybe last year also, and how it's such a wonderful project and how so much of learning happened.
Yes, okay. Sure, ma'am.
Thank you, darling. So about 200 children from our school are participating, by the way. This is just for everybody to know. From Kamala Nehru Public School, we have about grade 7 and grade 8 participating. And accordingly, some teachers have joined in, some may not have joined in, so it's okay. So this is the teachers' welcome. I have shared this in the group. I'm the facilitator for group number 5. So I hope all of you are there, and anybody who's interested, I'm always there, irrespective of the group. I'm always there to help you out. So, so the project started from 27th of September, and it goes somewhere up to 4th of November. It's a 5-week-long project. And it has for the next 6 weeks, and our students can join. And this has the the incredible guests, including experts from WWF, NSA, and UN, and more would be joining us as we move ahead in this project. This is a very friendly project in the sense if we have not started yet, and your friends still want to join, please share the joining link so that they can join even now. And Cohen that way is too good for words, and so is Jennifer. They say we can do the first week and the second week activities together. It is perfectly all right. And last year it was, if not started in these 4 weeks also, you could start in the 5th week also. It was very, very flexible when COVID was at its peak. So this is the information to bookmark. Maybe we'll be sharing this link again. I'll put it in the group. And you can see so many links are there. If we have to do something, we need to go through every link which is there. So first is the Climate Action Project website, which we'll be seeing it. Then official hashtag is Climate Action Edu. And then the Twitter account, we should be tagging Climate Action P at Climate Action P, Take Action Edu, and all this. And Instagram also, all this has been given to us. YouTube channel is given. So project coordinators, of course, and Jennifer Williams are there. So project dates September 27 to November 4. And the digital media kit is here. Here we can open up and see how do we go about tweets, some ready-made. Yes, you can open up if you feel, Charu, because we can see how do we go about the tweet and everything. This is the climate media kit here. So the overview 2021, again, it's from 27th. So this kit contains important dates, links, LinkedIn credentials, steps, how to put this, our badge, our participation badge on our LinkedIn office credentials. We can add it. The instructions are given over there. And this is on the Twitter, how we can add tag ourselves as Climate Action Edu. That's the official hashtag, as they call it. Jennifer has done it. Maybe all of us can promote this once we are into it. Let's be, head on into it. And then the exam newsletter announcement is there. 6 weeks program is there. So Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, everything is there. So we can just copy from here and we can put it on the Twitter. So it's lots of social media activities which we can do it. And this is the, the educator badge. We can download this educator badge and we can share it and this is your class action project badge. So we can share it on the Twitter. You may share it on the Facebook and do whatever you feel like. So it'll be good. Even I haven't done any of the social media work. I'll be picking up and do it in maybe the next 2 days. I would be involved in all this. Yes, and then after the digital media kit, the weekly emails. Can you please click here also, Charu, because we can show how we can get all the emails here. So if we say I did not get the mail, so we can always check in here. This is one consolidated this thing. So 3 weeks countdown, 2 weeks countdown, and then see the week 1 email is there. Can you maybe from here, Nisha, can you please take over? Would you like to share your own screen? Week 1 projects and everything. How do you want to go about it, Nisha?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to share my own screen, ma'am.
Chalo, that's very good. In the meantime, Charu, you look for some of the pictures so that we can share it with everybody.
So, good evening, everyone. My screen is visible.
Yes.
Yeah, it is visible.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So yes, here I'm going to tell you about this project. So just imagine a world in which youngsters across 6 continents they connect virtually and solve one of the world's most pressing challenges. And you all know what is that challenge. It is climate change. Yes. So this is I'm going to tell you about this climate action project. It is a free student centered project. A 6-week journey is there in which more than 2.5 million students across 135 countries they've been collaborating, right? So this is covered by media across 45 countries, including BBC, CNN, and National Geographic Channel. So I would like to share one video of Mr. Cohen Timmer. So I hope it is audible also.
Nisha ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, actually, I was just sharing the video. I think it was not audible. Okay.
Video
it
sound is
wasn't
also not
audible,
audible.
Nisha.
Yeah. Video
I
is
took
also
it
not
for-
audible.
I took it for granted that my internet was fluctuating a little bit. I thought maybe that is it, so I switched off my video also.
Ma'am, actually, the
Yeah.
video sound is very low. So never mind.
Yeah,
I'm just telling
You
you what
speak
we
out
have to
again.
do. Yeah.
Speak up.
So I'm going to tell you what we have to do. So what are their expectations from our side? During this 6-week project, the students will brainstorm, explore, discuss, create, and they share their findings online. They'll try to solve problems related to environmental issues, specifically climate also, and any environmental issues as well. And then they'll take an action. Each week, it's a 6 weeks project. What to do in each week? In every week, I'll let you know. So in each week, they will create a video of their findings, and that will publish to this website only. So this way, they are able to learn from their peers globally and will discover the climate change. They may appear very differently, how it may appear differently in different parts of the world.
So they have to create their own video, Nisha ma'am. They have to create their own video.
Yes, children can also create their own video by taking their work. We can also make one video about each and every week. I'll let you know, ma'am, first what to do in every week. Let me just show you. Let me just take you there, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
So when we'll sign in, we all have registered with our own IDs and password by using that on this website. See, this will come. Each week activities they will be giving us, and there you can find the curriculum wherein different lesson plans are there, our network activities. And firstly, I'm going to tell you what they expect us to do in these 6 weeks. So week 1, that is from 27th of September to 3rd of October. We have to work on the causes of climate change. So our students will talk about what is climate change, what would be their definition according to them regarding the climate change, and what is causing climate change locally. What is the call of action? Call to action is we have to submit one video and few images related to climate action, and we'll upload it in this website only. That also I'll tell you how to upload it. This is the week 1 task wherein we have to work on the causes only, and the duration is from 27th of September to 3rd of October. Second week, we'll work on the effects. What are the effects of the climate change? Firstly, we'll talk about locally, like in our areas where we are living, what are the different causes of climate change. And in the second week, it is all about effects. There also there are so many videos like it's from the previous year. We can see in this website only. We can watch the videos from 3 continents, 3 countries, so that we may get an idea, and then we have to submit one videos and some images regarding to that also. And in this video, in this particular week, one task is also there to plant a tree. At least one tree each child has to plant in the second week, which is from 4th of October to 10th of October. This is second week task. Effects, we have to work on the effects. And then the second one is we have to plant a tree. Now comes to third week. The third week is all about going from local to global. In this week, we'll talk about causes and effects globally. What are the different causes and effects which are there, and are there any other environmental issues like pollution, water, biodiversity, any other environmental issues? This is the third week. We can also connect with peers in other schools also, and in other countries also. Likewise, we are in this group. We are from different countries, so we can connect with ourselves as well, in which we will work from local to global. Then comes the fourth week. Fourth week is all about solutions. We talk about causes, we talk about effects, we talk about causes and effects from local to global. Then we'll work on the solutions. What are the different potential solutions for the climate change or any specific environmental issue that we have taken and then we have seen in the third week. So we may talk about the solutions of that particular environmental issues that we have taken. And call to action in this week is, again, we have to take first we will see the videos from different continents, and then we have to submit one video of our side and some images in this website only. Then comes the fifth week. This is going to be a wonderful experience, I'm telling you, because this part students just love a lot. The reason being because there are so many virtual exchange between the students across the globe. We have virtual live interaction between the students. Children, they used to share their findings and the solution with the students across the globe or different countries. We will connect globally in this week, and this is students actually cherish this week a lot because there are so many global connection. I remember last year we have global connection even in the sharp at in the morning 6 a.m. only. So children, they used to prepare themselves for the same. They are so excited. So again, 6, then we have the week 6, which is call to action. In this week only we have to take an action wherein we can call in government, we can contact press, children may go for a march, for a flash mob, they can plant a tree, they can send a letter to the concerned people. So this would be the call to action. And what actions we have taken, that we have to submit in the longest list of actions also. This is the task that we have to do. Now, where to submit our work? When we log in with our credentials, with our ID and password, this is the first screen that would be visible. This will be the first one, right? Here I have taken you from the timeline. There you can see this is where we have to submit our students' work. So there, when I add on this add week 1, there we can add a video. We can give a title, description, what we have done. If you have taken the the work done by the student, what they have done in the workbook, so you can give that description. And here we have to put a video link of YouTube, or you may also put a OneDrive link also. If students have made any presentation on the causes of climate change, we may go there, choose file option, we may upload that also. There is also an option to upload the Sway, Padlet or Flipgrid if we have made, like we can make a Flipgrid also, where we can ask our students to upload their experiences about or what they think, what are the causes of climate change. So we may upload that Flipgrid link there also. So this is about the video part. Let me take you back. There, add causes. So when I click on that, now there is already a big list of the causes of climate change. So we may add there. We may add. See, when I'm writing something like this, now this is already the list of causes that we as teachers have submitted there. So so many causes are already there. So we may add our causes. Like in our school, what we are doing, we are doing this project in the well-being call. So we are discussing with students, what do you think are the causes of climate change? So we are jotting down all the points they are saying, and then when we'll upload our work, we'll add the causes which are given by the student in this section. There, to add the causes, here is the option add images. So when we'll click on that, you'll get an option where you can drop your files here. You can add your files, and this portion we have to add our continent, country, state, and then we'll save it. In this way, we will upload our data in this website. When we go there, it will be automatically it will be uploaded. This is for week 1. In the same way, this is for week 2. We will work on the effects. We'll plant trees. So we'll add our videos, presentation, Flipgrid, Padlet link in this way, in this the yellow color link only. In the red color link, when we click on that, let me just click on this. So we can see the effects are already. So if I'm writing, there are so many effects which are there. So it is alphabetically. So all the A effect are there, then B, then C, like this only. So we may add our images of week 2 there. So weekly we have to submit a work. Then we have third week. In the third week again, what is the causes and effect globally we have discussed. One video we have to make and we have to submit over there, and we need to add the images. For the week 4 also, again the same thing we have to do. Means we have to upload our data, our findings, or our students' work weekly only. So all these will be there. And how to connect with the educators across the globe, there you need to add your availability date, so that teachers from across the globe, they can connect with us. See, I'm going to add my availability date. I have to go there. I need to add availability date over there. So as global connection is from 25th of October to 31st October. So we may add our dates like this. So from 25th of October, I am to 31st of October, right? So I'm going to save my availability over there. So the teachers or the educators across the globe, they may see my availability and they may contact me. And this way we can find out different people across the globe to share our findings during week 5. So I have added my availability date over there. So yeah, so this is about the climate action project. We have worked last year also, and we have working on this project from last consecutively from last 4 years, 4 or 5 years. So for me as an educator and for my children, it's actually a great platform to showcase our talent also, and to do something related to environment. So it was a great learning experience for us also. We got to learn a lot about the climate change, and working with the student was great as always. So it was not only enjoyment, but working for the environment was also amazing. So we all want to do something for the climate, but we often don't know how to start. So I think this climate action project gave us a direction. So that's all from my side. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Nisha. You are wonderful in sharing. Charu, I would like you to share the first link again, because we need to go down a little bit after those links also. And I'll sum up what Nisha had said just now. You keep moving down. Yeah, this is the page I wanted. Please move up. Yes, up. Yes, this is the overview. Yes, move up. So let me tell. So there's something which is known as a little down, please. Something which is known as the Global Students Day or something. The first para. No, but you're moving. When I say no, up. The first para after the links. So this is the Global Students Climate Action Day. This would be celebrated from 4 and on November 4 on the last day. So it will be a grand event. It's 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. And then you have country heads and great people coming forward, singers, dancers, means some renowned personalities come forward and they talk about it. And some of our work is also showcased. Let's see who's the lucky one whose students would be speaking. So this is one point, Global Students Climate Action Day. Move up. Move up. Yeah, we can always see the YouTube wherein it was Teachers Welcome webinar was conducted on 17th of September. If you want to see what happened, we can just see it. Move up. Yeah, this is the various, it's all right, WhatsApp group which are there, still up. Various languages are there. Fine, a team of facilitators are there. Yes, and we can change. Fine, we move ahead. Yes, this is the weekly activities. There are 6 weekly lessons. This is the curriculum which they have planned. We can take the help of this curriculum. See, we actually need to make our children think. So there are 6 weekly lessons. Each lesson follows a format including activities of pause and notice, explore possibilities, design with optimism and collective action. So every week the activities would be under this head. All right. And then this is another thing which they said, that we can create a climate action box or a digital box. So on the 4 sides, we can write week 1 causes, week 2 effects, week 3 global connections, and week 4 solutions. If it is a large box, and we can write on the 4 sides, what are the causes, what are the effects, what are the week 3, we write down for week 3 and week 4, so on. If the cardboard box is not being used, children are not coming physically, then we can definitely have a PowerPoint slides, or we can have a Jamboard global slide deck or a PowerPoint slide, anything we can use, and we can have slide 1 for causes, effects, and so on. Something similar. Move on, Bete. So in-person learning, distance learning, it all depends upon how we're going to organize ourselves. You move ahead, Charu. So this is, they have given the dates, and this is the causes, and then the ultimate list of causes of climate change. This has been discussed by Nisha. Similarly, the effects, global map of climate change effects, Cartoon Network Climate Champions. So this is the collective work which they have done earlier, and so we can always see all this. Yes, we did. Weekly action videos which have been done so far, because this is a continuous project, so the previous videos are also available. We can see it ourselves. See, it is not necessary that we have to do all these actions, that you have to have a sway also, a PowerPoint presentation also, a video also. You can just have one action. All right, the purpose is the students are learning, and that one action need to be uploaded the way Nisha has shared how to go about it. Okay, now this is another thing which we need to download. This is the Earth Project app. All right, so this is, I've downloaded, and everybody can download it using this. So it is for iOS also, and for Android. Accordingly, we join, and it helps us to track a carbon and plastic footprint. So we can track it. And then on the website, students are not uploading. It's only the teachers who are uploading. This also should be known to us. Yes. So who are the partners here? These are the partners. I think with this, we come to the end of the page. Am I right? So no communication is all right. All right. So this is I think it's fairly, let's start together. That's what they say. Let's go to the end. Is this the last one, Bitte? No, something more? So this is, the badges which are there, how we can share it. And those are the tags which we need to go about. We can download our badge, a class badge, so now comes the week 1 topic. So question for the week, in the first week, we need to tell what is your definition of climate change. Children are supposed to deliberate on this. What causes climate change? What is your personal connection to climate change? We said local. So in Punjab, the studs which are there once the harvesting is done, so the wheat remains are there. So normally it's we fire it up, we lit fire, and there's so much of pollution. So actually children could actually click some pictures and show this is what happens in the local area. So that's local. So pause and notice. So I think now we have a fair idea. Every detail is being already shared, and then then here pause and notice. Difference between weather and climate is one point which they discuss a lot. So we can do a little bit of research, and then we can share it with everybody. And these are the resources which is given. You can see this, you can see this. So when you are discussing the things, you can always open up one of the links and share it with your children. Okay. So this is the picker wheel to say share questions online with the students. So all these things, everything is available. All we need to do is to surf a little more in this the climate action website, and then everything would be available. But now, since we all in group 5, we can help answering each other's question, and we can even ask our friends to join if you so feel like, because it's not that if we have not joined now, we cannot start. Because if children around the world can know a little more about climate and why it is so, maybe we can change our lifestyles, and maybe we can actually contribute as students and educators and do our bit of climate action. So according to NASA, what it is, so all this is there according to National Geographic, what UNO says. So these are the various explore possibilities further. Side 1, side 2, better understanding. So it's up to us. We say, I'm going to pick just one video and share it. I have this much of time, so I do my bit. It is not that you have to get into the depth and do this, that. For example, we have about 30 minutes well-being call every day after the remote learning session. So during this well-being call, the children are doing the climate action projects. That's how we're going to do. I think it's all right, Charu. If you have downloaded some pictures, we do it, and then we listen to some questions and queries and help out everybody. Yeah, look at this. This is the climate action wall, you know. We made the children paint in black and gray and white and the colorful climate, this thing. If we take care of the climate, it will be a beautiful, colorful world. And if we don't take care of the climate, it will be black. And this is one of the corridor which is painted. So this is just an idea. You can have pictures like this. And you know, this painting was done, the backdrop was done by the children of the senior classes. It was a whole school when we were all physically present. And class 1 to 12 were told, even in this, we have paintings of grade 1 also, and great painting of the fine arts students of grade 12 also. This is one thing which you're very, very proud of. Thank you, Charu, for sharing. If you could want to share something more.
Kamala Nehru Public School, India, is proud to participate in the International Climate Action Project. 6 continents, 69 countries, 250 schools.
So this is a small glimpse, you know. We took this in front during the morning assembly. This is what we did. We really love this project, and we really participate in a big way. So I think we had some more videos. Can you show the sports day or something, if possible? Otherwise, it's okay. I open to questions, and then you can show that. The sports day when we took this banner, or when the group of children, they were there in the lawn and you talked about climate action project, that was another video. So these are the videos which we keep uploading, and then Cohen actually, you know, culminates, or rather adds all these videos and make one final video, and we found a place and we were so excited. So that's how we went around. The passion has to be in everything you do in your as a teacher. Then it works well for the students. So now anybody can unmute and anybody can ask a question. If this session was helpful, I'm sure it must be. And then we're always there. It's not the end climate action project with this session. You're always there. You can always ask any questions. Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. Ma'am, I want to ask one question, like from which date we have to start? The week 1, like what is the deadline?
See, it was mentioned there. It was from 27 to 3rd of October, if I'm not wrong.
So,
Right?
okay, 3rd of October is, ma'am, it is like we are approaching near the 3rd of October. It is 1st October already. So what can we do now?
It was said that you can do the first week and the second week together. There's no harm in it. You upload your video a little late. When we say upload a video, it could be you make the children do some paintings, right? Some drawings. You make a video of it and upload it. One is children can speak. Nisha told you so many examples. We can create a flip grid. Everybody speaks climate is this. What are the causes of climate is what we have to focus on. right? And then how
We have to talk in our video about the causes of climate action. No?
yes,
Yeah.
the topic has to be there. Nisha, wherever you feel I am not giving the right answer, you can intervene and share your experience, please.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. But that's how we have to go. First week is causes, second is effect, then local to global is third week, fourth is solutions, and fifth is virtual exchange. Virtual exchange, I remember we got up at 4:45 in the morning, and there was, and you know, it's not that with one school. From amongst us, we were 5 of us, and children were so excited to get up early in the morning and go for for this. And we found so many partners, and 5 of us could be there together in the same session and say, "This is what we did. What did you do?" Like that, different countries. It's so exciting, and that's when we go for this. The virtual exchange, that's the time. And we find partners from people who are doing this climate action project. All right. And we find partners from the website where we tell our availability, and then we keep sending mails to them. We are interested. Please, would you like to do it? Sometimes the mail works. Sometimes, you know, in the facilitators group, the facilitator puts that this particular school is not able to get any partner. Who is there from Romania? Who is there from this country? Would you like to please share with this particular school? Then, you know, little help there, here and there is also done. Okay, so we can all work. There could be 5 schools together. And then it's one full week of this thing. I remember we connected with, even China we connected, which we had never connected earlier. And they showed us their rooftop garden. I remember it very, very well. Which the children had, you know, planted the trees and everything. And then, of course, we should be tweeting with the tags which they have told us. Yes, anybody else, please? We should wind up in the next 5-7 minutes. Let it not be a very long conversation. So,
Ma'am,
please-
may I have, ma'am,
Yes.
I have a question. Ma'am,
Yes.
my students started with that first week's project. They started working on it, their research on the causes of climate change. Now they
Mhm.
have a question. If they make a presentation, should they make a presentation or a video first thing, which I guess they can make anything out of it. But I'm
Yes.
sorry, ma'am, I missed the first part when Nisha ma'am was demonstrating. Where are we supposed to upload it? If you can just repeat it once for me, I'll be very grateful. Where am I supposed to upload it? The presentation.
Nisha, can you please take it out because take it up from here because it's important to know. Otherwise, it's pretty difficult.
I'm really sorry. I just joined a little late. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Nisha would take us.
Yes, ma'am, I'm sharing
And
my
Nisha
screen
is
once
part
again.
of a group. We can always help. Yes, Nisha.
Yes, ma'am. We'll go to the in the website now. When we put our credentials, we'll sign in. This is the first window that will be appear.
Landing
This is the
page.
first page that will be there. So there, ma'am, you can see here the week 1, week 2. There we can upload our data, ma'am.
Okay, I got it. So if
Yes.
my students are ready with the first week's work, a presentation or a video, I can upload it to the add week 1 over there
Yes.
in that slot, right?
Over there. Yeah. Over there, we can add the videos. It can be our YouTube link. It can be OneDrive link also. Like you have also told ki if they are making any presentation, we can upload the presentation over there. If they have made a Sway, Padlet or any Flipgrid link, Flipgrid, then we can add the link over there.
Right. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, the link is which is shared in the group. The link is same, no? Where we have to click for where we have registered. The same link, no?
Yes.
Ma'am, you are muted. Paramjit, ma'am, you are muted.
That link has all the links. And the first link is going to the website.
The registration link which you sent us with that link only, no, ma'am?
Yes. So once you join the website, then you will find week 1, week 2 over there. And then when you click week 1, then you can upload over there.
Okay,
it could
ma'am.
be just Padlet. It could be anything. You have to be as creative as you want. You may have 3 activities if you want. But if you feel that this is a very tough week, very heavy week, busy week, so let me have 2 things. So then have 2 things. But you know, the children love to do as much as we have seen how active they have been in the previous project which we did. So I'm sure they would love to do it. Okay.
But now, as we are going to club first and second week, ma'am, so by which date we can submit?
But the dates are mentioned over there.
Okay,
So
thank you, ma'am.
but try to do it. You see, it's on 3rd now, right? So
Yeah.
you can, if you share some work with them, and once after 3rd, on 5th, you please put the week 1's activities. 3rd you meet, 4th you do something, 5th you finish it off. From 5th you start the 2nd week. And even if you want to do it together, you can. The week 1 would be open because it's not hard and fast. You start on 27th only. If there are some challenges and we start late, then we go late. It's okay. But if we can be together at the virtual meeting, the virtual exchange part, it's exciting there.
I have a
Okay.
question.
Okay. By that time, we should cover up.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I do have
please.
question.
Ma'am, actually, like our exams are going on and it will get over by 9. And
You have to be louder.
second is getting over. Ma'am, week 2nd is getting over on 10th. But as my students are having exams, so is it possible, like, if 1 or 2 days little here and there, is it okay? Because 9th they will be getting over with their exams. So at least 2-3 days they will be needing to do the work. 2 weeks.
You
work.
can start late. Ranjana, you can start late. It's all right. You start from 10th. Whatever date the exams are over, you start from that. For you, that would be the first week. Okay.
And
Last
ma'am,
6 months it was open. Anytime you start, anytime you upload, anytime you do it. The purpose is SDGs and purpose is SDG 13, and everybody should know about it. But that's how we go about it.
as of now, I can register myself with my
Yes.
email. Okay. And ma'am,
Yes.
students will be working in groups. It is not an individual activity, right? What I understand.
You'll have, it could be when you register, it'll be which grade would be there, how many students are there. So if you have maybe if you have your grade 3, then you write down 25 students, 40 students. And if 2 teachers are there, sometimes it also asks who's your co-teacher or something. Then you have your co-teacher's name also. Then 5 teachers from the school can register. 10 teachers from the school can register, as many as they want. So there's no harm in it.
Ma'am,
Okay.
so much.
I hope I'm clear, Ranjana. Doubts cleared, beta?
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Alifia is also there.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. I
Good
just
evening,
wanted to,
dear.
the same question was there that students' exams are coming and we are running the physical school. So I was willing to have activities in physical. So will it be okay if we upload those pictures and all? And
Yes.
instead of going on with the virtual, we will go for collaboration, but whatever activities we are doing in the school premises, that can be showcased.
Yes, beta. You know, if you go to the first link and if you scroll down, they have written that if it is virtual, then these are the activities you can do. If it is face to face, then you create that, you know, that box which is there.
Yeah.
Okay. The first week, the cause, the effect, and all those things can be done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, there is no hard and fast line that you have to create a box. That's a suggestion. You go about the way you want it. Everything is flexible. The only thing is we have to reach to the children, make them think that what do you think is the cause? It has to be lots of deliberation. Do you think it could be this? Let the children answer. Let them be interested in the climate. That's the main. It should not be, you know, we're so used to telling our children, these are the 5 reasons and this is what we need to do. So let it be the other way around. When children give us the reason, children find out solution, children tell us the causes. If we can, you know, in all schools, if we can achieve, the children start thinking, it will be a wonderful education, you know. So think on those lines, how we can involve them, and they love to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else, please? I hope we are clear. Anybody who has taken part earlier would like to share something? Or is it okay? Shall we call it a day? And then I'm there in the group, and some of the teachers from Kamala Nehru Public School are there. Nisha is also there in group 5 now. She would answer. Sharda ma'am is there. Rashmi is there, because we have 200 children here from our school. And don't be surprised if we add another 100. You also come in. So, so it
I'm not
just
in that group which you are talking
yes,
about.
Ranjana.
Ma'am, the group which you are talking about, I'm not there. So do I need to join that particular group?
No, not particular group. Every group has a group of facilitators, 5 to 6 maximum facilitators in a group. Now, when I talk about the group, this is the WhatsApp group. Once you register, then you get the first mail, and then the links would be there. So there are 5 groups as such. So I'm in group 5, and earlier I joined 4, and I faltered there. But I officially saw that I'm in group 5. So I went to group 5, and then now all our friends are there in group 5. And then we can, the purpose is helping each other. Okay. So now some of us are known to each other. It becomes more easy, and we are more happy with it. So that's how it is. And you can ask your friends, everybody who wants to join, they can join. And then all of them could be in group 5, and we work together. If somebody wants to be in any other group, you have the freedom to go wherever you feel like. I find Kavita with all smiles. Anybody else, please? I hope it's clear, and then we call it a day. So, okay then, thank you so much. Very happy this facilitator is to find wonderful people in this group. God bless. Okay, Nirmala.
Thank you.